This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 9th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and warm will be the rule across the southwest today, but a cold front moving through the state tonight and tomorrow brings windy conditions and a change toward much cooler temperatures. Unfortunately, conditions will remain dry, but is there any hope for rain in our forecast? Let's get out there and talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 97 degrees, the high in the valley. 69 was the low. And outside now, here at 8:48 a.m., we've got mostly sunny skies out there, 73 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, relative humidity 31%. The winds are light, the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 58, the cool spots at both Goldfield and Saguaro Lake. Otherwise, 60s and 70s dominate the board. The upper air look features a trough moving into the northwestern United States. That's going to deepen over the Intermountain West and drag a cold front through the southwest states. And that's what brings in our cooler temperatures. Now, this far south will be relatively dry, but that's not the case for the central and northern Rockies, the northern plains. Check it out. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings for the mountains of Montana, Wyoming, and out into the plains of North, South Dakota, Nebraska, northwest Minnesota. Several inches, if not a foot of snow in some spots, blowing and drifting snow as well. It's going to be a big mess up there. Here in Arizona, wind advisories and red flag warnings for parts of La Paz, Yuma counties, as well as northern portions of the state and into the deserts of southeast California. Some blowing dust possible out there, so watch out for that. Where we have the clash of air masses, the severe weather outlook for today shows a marginal risk from North Texas, north and eastward, toward parts of Nebraska and Iowa. The tropics in the Atlantic Basin, 3 waves on the board, but these show a small chance to develop. The one over the Central Atlantic, a moderate chance that may form into something, but it does not appear that any of these will be impacting the mainland United States. And the tropics in the East Pacific are quiet for now. The precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. No rain expected here in the valley and basically nothing statewide as this dry weather pattern continues. And we'll detail that now as we check out the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper trough moving through the western states. A cold front will be moving through the southwest over the next 24 hours. So down at the surface, today, mostly sunny skies. It'll become breezy in the afternoon. Highs low to mid 90s. Watch out for increasing winds over northern Arizona, the Mojave Desert, and certainly across southern California. Tonight, clear, breezy at times, lows in the 60s to about 70. Tomorrow, a different kind of day, sunny, breezy, and much cooler. Highs mid 80s. And again, windy conditions for northern Arizona. Here in the valley, we should see southwest winds picking up 10 to 20 miles per hour. Let's go to Friday. We'll start the day out in the 50s valley-wide. That should be the coolest temperature we've had here since about the 23rd of May, where the low was 54. We'll be pretty close to that, at least in some spots. They could get down in the low 50s. And then on Friday, low to mid 80s for the high. Again, the sky mostly sunny. Saturday, mid to upper 80s, mostly sunny. Upper 80s to near 90 on Sunday. And Monday with mostly sunny skies continuing. Now on Tuesday, the GFS shows a short wave approaching and interacting with some tropical moisture over the East Pacific, dragging that northward. And now we're seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms here on this run. The GFS is a clear outlier right now. We're not totally ready to buy into this solution. For now, we'll just call the day on Tuesday partly sunny. But just know there is maybe an outside risk of a shower someplace, but that still remains to be seen. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 16th. Still that short wave moving through. Scattered showers would be around if that verifies, and temperatures would be below average. And then going out to Thursday, the 17th, and another trough approaching the west coast. This one looks pretty impressive. And we'd have southwest flow out ahead of it, warmer conditions. But then as we go to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday the 18th. Check it out. Deep cold upper trough here in the west, and temperatures would be below average in this scenario. We may see highs getting down into the upper 70s or low 80s if this is correct. But again, this is 10 days out, and a lot is likely to change between now and then. And that could even be accompanied by some unsettled weather. Still too early to tell, though. Temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble. There you see that downtrend, highs staying just a little tiny bit below average for the next 7 to 10 days, and maybe cooling off further than that. Those overnight lows are looking very pleasant too, 50s and 60s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Wednesday.